What's up, guys? What's up, everyone? And as always, welcome to Mom's Kitchen with the boys. Yeah, anyways, guys, as always, I have a lovely move over here.
Hello, friends. Good to see you again.
Okay, guys, if you're new to the channel, make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the post notification bell icon so you get notified when we drop new content. And yeah, well, we do cooking shows. If you love cooking, if you used to cook and you want tips, why don't you just click on that bell? Win-win. Yeah, guys. Anyways, now we're going to be, it's mostly a tip for this video. We're going to be washing, cutting, and preserving turmeric.
Turmeric.
Yeah, turmeric. Most times we used to cook, we mostly use turmeric in cooking for coloring and stuff. So, anyways, guys,
very good spice.
Yeah, we're teaching how to preserve it. So it's going to be a very short video, just like pro tip.
And as it is now, it's very cheap this period, so I want to make it by myself and to preserve it.
Stack it while it's cheap. Let it last.
Yes, make use of
tip 101. Once it's cheap, get it in bulk.
So right now, I'm going to wash it.
Okay.
Come with me. So you have to wash it very well. As you can see, the water is getting very dirty. This one costs 1,000. All this is for 1,000. So you see, it's very cheap. So once I'm done washing, the next thing is start cutting. And I'm still going to change the water. The water is very dirty. To wash it, you wash it very well, so you will not have sand.
So how many times do you need to wash it?
I think I wash it once again. This is the last time I washed it. This is the last switch. Jeff, are you cutting it? No. Will you help me cut it?
Yeah, I'll help you.
Okay. So you go and get your knife. Friends, as you can see, I'm done washing it. It's clean. So now I'm going to be cutting it. I don't need to take out this outer shell because I research habit that is is medicinal. So you see it, so I don't need to take it out. It's very good. So I'm cutting it this way. You can cut it as tiny as you can cut. Some people would have dried just like this, but it will take months before it will dry. So why I'm cutting it this way, so it's for this thing to dry very fast. So that's why. I'll be cutting it like this and I'll finish cutting everything. Hello friends, so I'm done cutting. As you can see, this is it. This is the last one here. So I'm finished cutting it. I have to go and dry it. So after drying it, I don't know how many days it's going to take, but from the look of things, the previous one I did, it took about 4 days or 5 days. So when it's dry, I'm going to show you the next step after drying it. So you can come with me, please. Let's go and dry it. Yeah. Sorry, I didn't tell you guys. We have 2 kitchens. One downstairs, one up. So this is up. So this is the up. Better here. So it will dry fast. Alright, that's it. See you later. Okay guys, welcome back. So this is the dry turmeric. Is well dried now. As you can see, I have my blender here, so I'm just going to pour it into the blender. As you can see, so I have to reblend it so that it will be very smooth. I have to turn it. I think it's well smooth. Okay. And I have to pour it in there. See, maybe I should blend one again. Maybe do one more. Okay friends, so welcome back. As you can see, I'm done blending the turmeric. So this is the result. See how colorful it is, how yellowish, no coloring, no preservative. All you need to do just to dry it and blend it just like this. Then you will be needing a container so you can fill it. So I'll turn it right in here, but you have to leave it a bit to cool, because cool a bit before you now cover it. So just like that. Then what, this is the one that remains, the one that has not yet blended. So this is the dry and blended one. So you can just get a nylon, dry and clean bag, nylon bag like this. Just turn it in. I still do more and add to this. I will do more because now it's very cheap. I think that's all for now.
Hey friends, that is all for this video. Sorry, I've been helping mom film. So I hope you like this video. I hope you can give this recipe a try. Make sure you do so, and
Like, comment, share.
do all of those good stuff. Help boost mom's morale. And that is it for this video. As I said, give this recipe a try, because watching it alone will not like take you anywhere. Okay, that's it. I've said that's it twice. Take care. Peace.
Bye.
Bye.